Nijo ginawa biraske koe and oma. Nungum nijo gishigad. Oshke Ikidowinan nungum maznabiege. Maznabi ikanan. Maznabi ikanan. Ikidowinan basic. No comes. No comes. No comes. Ginatam. Weweni edan. Aha. Nijo edan. Edan no comes. Ginatam. Meanwhile, Bubby got gidden. No comes. No comes. Ginatam. Babig and done. What is your shin? Nijo Ikidowinan. Nimishomes. 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 Ginatam. Weweni edan. What is your shin? Nijo edan. Edan. Ginatam edan. Nimishomes. Oneshishin. Nising babagindan. Nimishomes. Ginatam babagindan. Oneshishin. Gimelo tacos. Nising niso Ikidowinan nungum. Indinawe maganag. Indinawe maganag. Indinawe maganag. Ginatam weweni edan. Indinawe maganag. Ginatam gaye edan. Edan. Indinawe maganag. Oneshishin. Meanwhile, Bubby Godkin, Baba Gindan. Indinawe maganag. Indinawe maganag. Ginatam. Bobby Gindan. Aha, misa iyo Ikidowinan nungum. For today, I want you guys to practice writing these on your, or practice drawing these on your whiteboard that we gave you from school, and then post a video of you pointing at them, hopefully with your lips, and saying the words aloud, and post a video on the assignment. Misa iyo nungum.